Hello, you guys. I'm excited because I just got I think it's called transition kit. Yes. So, I got the testers for the spring and summer for 2023. So I got the product list, the product training guide, and then I got the new scents of the sticker search: banana leaf and bamboo, Lake My Day, mango matcha, mountain sunset, peace lily be with you, raspberry hibiscus tea, soaking rays, sugar blossom, tropic nectar, woodland meadow. Yay! Okay, let's see. So here are my wow. Yo, I'm excited, you guys, to smell which one is it? The lemon drizzle cake. Yo. So we're gonna smell all of them for you guys. So here are the testers. I'm excited. Okay. And then here is the stickers. So here is the product training guide. So this is a really good tool to use, you guys, and it's awesome. And then I got the stickers. Hold on, let me pick them out. I just picked up one. So this one is the sugar blossom. That smells good. And here is the new product for the new product list, you guys. Hey. You're gonna look so it won't ruin it. And then the catalogs. So I'm gonna get one of the catalogs. Okay, let me open one of these. Okay. So you guys, you will get to purchase these items. You will get to purchase these items on March the 4th. So, yeah. Oh my god, okay, let's get to... Okay, you guys, okay. Remember when they had the Little Mermaid collection where the woman was sold out and you guys could no longer get it? Well, guess what? Now you can purchase the Ariel Walmart right here, you guys. You can purchase it now, starting March the 1st. Yeah. So yeah, so this is it. I'm excited, you guys. Okay, let's get with. Okay, we're doing. Okay, so there's new releases. So it's banana leaf and bamboo. Okay, so that's the first one we are going to find. Okay, I'm going to put this down because it's in my way. Okay. Okay, we're gonna find. So the new releases is banana leaf and bamboo, which is juicy, sweet white peach, and banana leaf envelop aged bamboo and sheer mahogany. Lake My Day, refreshing lake waves lap peacefully over crisp Vermont and fresh oak moss. Mango matcha, a mix of mango nectar and matcha sorbet topped with a slice of salted cucumber and a dash of pure sugarcane. Mountain sunset. Take in the view over wild bluebell and warm woods as coconut and golden amber fill the air. Peace lily be with you. White peace lily and green apple harmonize with water greens and a touch of vanilla. Raspberry hibiscus tea. A warm cup of wild raspberry and hibiscus petals, sweetened with a spoonful of elderberry sugar. Soaking rays. Feel the sunshine as bright mandarin and orange flower bask in ocean air. Sugar blossom. Sugar dip golden blossom adore a shimmery fusion of a sugar, citrus, and vanilla. Tropic nectar. Tropical fruit nectar gets even sweeter with coconut milk and golden guava. Woodland meadow. Woodland wildflowers flourish beneath a beautiful forest canopy and an air of Vermont and amber. How our fragrance come together. Scentsy fragrances are designed for special occasions and everyday moments because we understand that the true power of scent is available to bring people together. Our fragrance design team thoughtfully and lovingly create new fragrance to help people connect with their emotions, their memories, and each other. Each Scentsy fragrance is composed of 30 to 60 ingredients for a unique experience. So, this here top, mid, and base notes. So top notes says these gives the first impression, the reason you're originally drawn to fragrance. Mid, heart notes. These make up the heart of the fragrance and unlimited make you fall in love with a scent. Base notes. These are the longest lasting notes and what you smell hours later. They are why you purchase a fragrance again. So yeah, and there are 7 categories. So it's fruity, citrus, floral, fresh, woods, spice, and bakery. So the fruity is a berry, citrus is like an orange lime, floral is a flower, fresh is like beachy waves, woods is like the log. Spice is like those spices you get. Bakery is a cupcake. So yeah. Here we go. First, I'm so excited, guys, because there's some scents that came back. You guys, it's like amazing. I really want to smell the lemon one. Then that's a bakery scent. That's the one I want to smell. Oh my God, you guys. This smells like a cake. Like lemon cake. Oh my God. Hold on, let me get to the bakery ones. I was right. It smells like lemon cake. It's here. It says lilac, sugar, and vanilla icing drizzle. Added sweetness to lemon butter cake. Oh my God. I definitely want to get that. And you guys, I'm excited because Mogul Dude is back. Yes. That's my favorite one. Oh, squeeze the day. That's like a fresh scent. It's like a what is that? Let's see. Oh no, it's a citrus. Oh, okay. I want to smell the banana one. I want to smell the banana one. I found it. I found it. Okay. Well, I smell the peach. It smells good. Yeah. Oh my God, you guys. So, that is what I got. So, in your transition kit, it comes with the testers, the stickers, the new catalog book, the training guide, and the product list. So, yeah. I hope you guys... Oh my God, you guys. You guys, Shoreline Drive is one of my customers' favorite ones. And I have wax balls of it. I got extras, so if you guys want that, let me know. Because I have that one on deck. So, yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!